Collecting direct customer feedback has never been easier with Constant Contact. We have a new customer feedback block, and in this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use it in your emails. To get started, first click and drag the feedback block into your email. Once you have the block in your email, just click to edit it. On the left, you can first choose which type of feedback you want to collect, either a rating or a poll. Rating will allow your contacts to click on an icon to rate your question. Polling will allow you to ask a question with different answer options they can choose. Let's stick with rating for this tutorial. In the next section, you can customize the question you want to ask your contacts. You can also change the icons that your contacts can see by clicking the drop-down here. After choosing their answer, they'll be taken to a success page to let them know their feedback was successfully submitted. Click the checkbox here if you want to use a custom success page. Keep in mind, if you want to use a custom success page for each option, you'll need to provide the URL to the custom page. In the icon style section, you can choose the size, alignment, and spacing of your icons. After your email is sent, in the reporting, you'll be able to see how many contacts answered your feedback request and what they answered. Gathering feedback from your contacts made easy with Constant Contact.